Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Paramour Casablanca expert advisor for MetaTrader 4, and this is a trend following grid system that uses a Martingale style scaling and is mainly built for gold on the 1 minute time frame. The claim focus on low drawdown and high return on investment. So let's examine what the strategy actually does and where the risks sit. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. I'm sure you recognize some of them. So we have it for free. You can download it by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now we're talking about the Paramour Casablanca Expert Advisor, and this is their official page. According to the Paramour Casablanca, according to the developer, this is a proprietary trend following grid that tries to place its orders in the direction of the active trend rather than against it. Yeah, it's a trend following expert advisor, and it uses RSI, several types of moving averages, proprietary momentum filters, and price action logic to decide when price has moved far enough from the call trend to add positions. Now the system can reverse the grid if the broader market direction shifts, and it includes a progressive scalping layer for shorter term continuation trades. It has a news filter that only works in live trading and is not in the MT4 strategy tester. The developer positions it as a more intelligent grid that combines Martingale logic with advanced mathematical safety parameters to keep drawdown under control. Now, all of these are from the developer. Everything I've been explaining is right here on the page, progressive scalping, and it also uses grid, like I said, and scales as it gets to particular levels. And it also has this news filter. They have a YouTube video which you can go to, like, watch up. They have their backtest results on there, but they also showed us some of their backtest results here. This is it. There was no demo version available for me to run my own independent test on this expert advisor. So without a working demo, I couldn't properly backtest or forward test it under controlled conditions. So we have to rely on the developer's claims and the known behavior of this type of system, considering the fact that this is a Martingale expert advisor. It also uses grid, and those are strategies that can be dangerous depending on how you use them. Now, these are some of the backtests shown by the developer. You can see this probably from a $1,000 account rising all the way to $3,865, showing 250% net profit. Same thing here. Same thing here. There's a $1,000 account taking it all the way to 1,500, and this was just a 50%. They have different levels of risk. This is the medium risk, this is the high risk, this is the low risk, and this is based on the martingale and also the grid. All of this can be adjusted in the inputs of the expert advisor. It goes for just $35, 35 US dollars. You can make payments through Bitcoin or USDT Tether. Now, results of any kind are based on historical performance and can differ depending on market conditions and the position size or risk settings used. Trend following grids with martingale elements can look very smooth when the market cooperates, but they remain exposed to sharp equity drops when the trend reverses or the market ranges for an extended period. Now, this is one thing we know as traders. I'm sure you know how martingale and grid how these elements work in expert advisors. They can be risky, so you should be careful when trading with this type of expert advisor. They have some features which they highlight. The minimum balance for the expert advisor is just $100, and it's mainly for gold trading. It's perfect for gold, but it can also work on other major currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CAD. It's also good for the 1 minute time frame, though it's adaptable to any time frame. And the multi-currency capability, it can work on multiple currencies, baskets, or portfolios simultaneously. Requires a VPS, and it needs a raw ECN account featuring low spreads, minimal slippage, and all of that. And it's advised you run a demo on it, but they do not provide any demo, so you're gonna have to actually purchase this expert advisor. It goes for just 35 US dollars. Now, you should be aware of the main key features: the trend aligned grid, the combination of RSI and moving averages with momentum filters, the news filter, and over 50 external inputs, different risk profiles from low to high, and the option to use a profit ratio method instead of classic take profits. It is mainly optimized for gold, like I said. Now, honestly, the thing is, any system that combines grid and martingale, even with safety parameters, still carries the risk of large floating drawdowns. In practice, this means you need a solid broker, and they also advised for that. You also need a broker that has low spreads on gold, and you need the mental capacity to sit through uncomfortable periods. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it is an aggressive 1 minute time frame gold trend grid system with martingale scaling and extra filters. It can suit experienced traders, yeah, and traders who understand the risks and want high frequency exposure on gold. But I would advise you avoid it if you need strict capital protection or dislike martingale style systems. And that is that for the Paramour Casablanca expert advisor. It's a risky robot, so you should be careful with it. Like the video if this real tests help you out, subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.